Hi everyone, Justin here with Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. We are the country's largest premium pre-owned RV superstore. Today I've got actually a brand new product that we're carrying. This is a gorgeous 2019 Winnebago Outlook. This is the 31N model. This is a Class C gas RV, as evident by our nice cap up above. Now, a few things about Winnebago. They're absolutely killing it as far as their construction quality, that sort of thing. Starting with their one-piece fiberglass roof up above. We'll get into some of the other details, but we'll go through them as they come up. This Outlook is sitting on the Ford V10 chassis. This is the Econoline 450, so this is going to be the heavier duty chassis. As I mentioned, it is a gas chassis as well. So follow me back this way. You'll notice that we do have these nice extended mirrors. You're going to be able to see all the way down any blind spot, and these are adjustable. So when you're parking, pulling into tight spots, you can put those in and you'll be good to go. Moving on back this way, you'll notice we have a full-length powered awning. This is going to keep you and the entire side of this coach out of the rain, or if you need a break from the sun, same thing. Moving our way back here, we do have a 110 duplex. Behind that, we've got a cable outlet if you wanted to watch TV outdoors. Open in here, you've got a nice little storage area. Very good space to throw the wet clothes after the pool or the lake. That way they're right outside the door if you need to grab them again. We have the back of our access panel for our water heater. This is gas and electric, so depending on which you prefer, you got the option. Under here, you've got another little storage compartment. And then this is going to be the exhaust for your furnace. Moving back this way, they put your freshwater tank fill right here. Makes it super simple. You grab the hose, boom, plug it in, you're off, and you're camping in no time. We'll open this guy here just because there is one additional storage area, just to show you all the perks. And then we'll head to the back. Working our way from top to bottom, we do have integrated backup camera. You got a nice rear view window that we'll be able to see when we get inside. You are already set up for towing. You're going to have your 7-pin, which is located right here. And this guy is going to be rated at 5,000 pounds with 500 on the tongue. Full access ladder, floor to ceiling, to be able to inspect those seals. And then swinging on this way, you've got one of two slides. This slide does come equipped with a slide topper. Keep the moisture and debris out of your slide mechanism. Underneath, we are going to have, actually we'll go here first, nice big storage area, and that's incorporated into the slide there, so somewhat climate controlled. You can kind of see here, this is where you're going to be able to hook up for your black and gray tanks. Pretty easily accessible, and you also have a low point drain back here. This is going to be your city fill here for your water if you're going to be at a camp with full hookups, and then this is where you're going to be plugging the cable into your coach from the campsite itself. Couple more storage bins up here. The very front one is actually going to be your Cummins Onan generator. It's going to be a 4,000 watt, plenty of power to power your entire coach, but join me on the inside. There's a lot more to go over. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on the inside of this 2019 Winnebago Outlook. This is, again, the 31N model. So nice full-size Class C gas RV. Plenty of room to bring all the family and the friends if you'd like, but let's go over a couple of features. Starting up here with the chassis, this is going to be your Ford chassis. This is the V10. Everything is easily reachable, just fingers touch as far as your power locks, power windows, if you need to hit the AC, the heat, and then right dead center there is actually going to be your monitor, and that's going to help you with the backup camera there. So backing into spaces is actually very easy in this unit. It does come with one additional feature that I like to point out. This does have a battery boost on it. What that means is that if your chassis battery is dead and you're going to leave the campsite, you hold the button and turn the key, and you can essentially give yourself a jump start off of your house batteries. So kind of a nice deal there. As I mentioned, it is Class C. Typical of a Class C, you're going to have your overhead bunk sleeping area. This is a huge one though. You can fit 2 grown adults up here. Does come with this nice Insignia flat screen that does swing in and out if you needed it out of the way. And you are going to have your own little skylight vent as well, get that fresh air flowing up there. Off to this side here, we have a nice couch, double seater. Does have seat belts for all the safety that Winnebago incorporates with their coaches, but this also folds out into an additional sleeping area. Up above, tons and tons of storage, and this is in one of those slide mechanisms, as I mentioned. Behind that, we have our nice booth dinette. This table is going to break down, and it gives you 1 additional sleeping area. So I'm going to show you some of the kitchen. On my side here, we'll start with the galley kitchen, solid surface countertops, and then we've got our nice, I believe they call this a farm style sink, but they also put the divider in for doing dishes and whatnot. But you also have this nice stainless steel gooseneck faucet head. Tons of storage underneath, tons and tons of drawers, very solidly built. That way they're not going to come open on you in transit. Behind that, we're going to have our 3-burner propane stovetop, little additional storage underneath. And then up above, we've got our high point microwave. Behind there, we've got a little bit of the controls. So we do have an inverter control up above. You'll be able to check all your tank levels here, start your generator up, as well as your water pump and your water heater. So it makes it really simple, all of that being just right there for you. Fridge and freezer combo. Now this is done by Danby. You see this nice gloss black, but yeah, it's I believe this is a 6 cubic foot, so plenty of room for all your stuff. We do have some additional pantry space here, or a lot of folks actually will use this for bringing towels, because right behind we've got our full shower. I'm going to get in this just to show you. I'm 6 feet tall, and I've got plenty of headroom here. So taller folks, you can do this. Plenty of room in this shower. Swing on back here and take a look at the bathroom. You do have your nice toilet, counter space there. Again, nice little basin for your sink. And then above you've got some additional storage as well as your fan there. So nice little bathroom space. All right, swinging back into the bedroom area. Notice we do have this nice full queen walkaround. You've got plug-ins on either side as well as your end tables for the cell phones, for the laptops, that sort of thing. We are in 2019, so they're accounting for all of those new electronics that everyone likes to have. Nice little area here for getting ready with natural light coming in through the window. You can also incorporate a TV here if you so desired. Tons of storage space underneath, as well as a huge wardrobe here. Tons of hanging space. Access all the way across, and then got our nice rear view window here, lets in a little bit more natural light. And again, this is going to be one of your egress windows for safety reasons. Should you need to pop this guy out, you have access to the exterior. So guys, I know there's a ton more questions you're going to have, so give me a call, Justin, here at Johnson RV in Fife. Our number is area code 253-286-0833. Hope to talk to you soon.